Robinhood launched its own blockchain, Robinhood Chain, built for tokenized stocks trading 24/7. And Bitquery already supports it from Genesis Block. Today, I'm walking you through 4 APIs live: real-time trades, transfers, meme coin launch detection, and token supply. Let's get into it. First, let's stream real-time trades on Robinhood. Every trade gives you trader address, buy or sell side, amounts in native tokens and USD, the token pair, and live market cap and FDV. This works across all Robinhood tokens, including tokenized stocks. Want only large trades? Just add a USD threshold filter on amounts in USD.base to catch whale trades, $10,000 and above, for example. Next, let's look at token transfers on Robinhood. This streams every token transfer in real time: sender, receiver, amount, USD value, and token details. You can filter this down to a specific token or a specific wallet to track holder activity or watch a particular address. Now here's something interesting. Even though Robinhood Chain launched for tokenized stocks, meme coin launchpads showed up almost immediately. Bitquery tracks new token launches from hood.fun, LaunchHood, Flap.sh, bags.fm, and more. Here's how we detect a new hood.fun token launch. The pattern is simple: a mint transfer from the zero address to the launchpad contract with the fixed initial supply. That combination flags a brand new token launch the moment it happens. This same pattern works for every launchpad on Robinhood Chain. Just swap in the contract address. Finally, let's check token supply data. This gets you the latest total supply for any token. Want supply for every active token at once? Add limit buy on the contract address, real-time trades, transfers, meme coin launch detection, and token supply. All live on Robinhood Chain from day one. Try these queries yourself in the Bitquery IDE. Links in the description. Drop a like, subscribe for more Robinhood Chain tutorials, and let me know what you're building.